Do you need to add a picture to a Canva template but not sure how? In this video, I will show you the quickest and easiest way to insert the customized image in Canva like a pro. So before starting, welcome all of you to my channel Take a Dialogue. Let's go into the video. First, you have to open Canva. Make sure that you are logging Canva with your email. Then on the left panel you can see there is an option upload. Click on it. Then you can see upload files. Click on it. Then you have to select the picture that you want to add in Canva. Select the picture and then click on open. As you can see, the picture is uploading. Now you have to drag and drop the picture in the white canvas. Yes, as you can see, the picture is in your canvas now. You can also make corner curve clicking on this option. You can also transparent the picture like this. You can also set the picture, make the picture bigger by dragging the corner. You can also make some animation on the picture. To do this, you have to click on animation. Then in the left panel, you can see many options. As you can see, I'm selecting the sketch option and have to click on this option. Isn't it very easy? Yes, friend, this is very easy process. That's how simple is it to add a picture to any Canva templates. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next Canva guide. That's all for today, my friend. Thank you, take care, and goodbye.